How to fix the issue of Windows Update Replace AMD Graphic Driver. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Windows Update Replace AMD Graphic Driver. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to open the Run application. So click on Window key plus R and then type devmgmt.msc and hit enter to open the device manager. After that, look for and expand the display adapter section, then double click on AMD Radeon Graphics to open the property panel. In the property panel, click on the driver tab and then click on the roller back driver to proceed with the process. The next step to the solution is to delete the updates of Windows. So go to the Start, select Settings and go to Update and Security. There choose the Windows Update option. In Windows Update, you will see the option of View Update History. Simply select the recent update and click on Uninstall. Now the last step is to uninstall the AMD graphic driver. So go to the Start menu, click on Setting and go to Apps. After that, search for AMD software and click on it. Then after you will see the option of Uninstall and then uninstall it to confirm the action. Then after, select AMD Radeon Graphics and again click on Uninstall. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue of Windows Update Replace AMD Graphic Driver. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.